this city, secrets hide in the shadows. The rain washes away the blood, but never the guilt. She saw it. The man in the trench coat, the gun, the flash of light, one shot echoed through the night. She didn't run. She couldn't. Now, she's the only one who knows the truth. In this city, silence is more dangerous than bullets.
They hear we tamed the princess to going home.
What the killer didn't know is that he killed the only innocent person in the city. My sister. I'll hunt down that bastard, even if it takes me an eternity. And when I find him, he'll wish the police had gotten to him first.
Victim's name, Sophia Rojas, 27 years old. Cause of death, gunshot wound to the chest. The bullet severed a major artery, leading to massive blood loss. She bled out before help could arrive. The motive remains unknown, and no witnesses have come forward. The murder weapon has not been recovered.
6 months later, and nothing has changed. The city's still rotten. Only she's gone now. Her death wasn't an accident. Everyone knows it. But here, no one cares about the innocent. They never did. You always called me by a nickname only you used. You never meant it seriously, but in your mouth, it sounded different. You walked fast, like you were trying to get there before everyone else, even if you didn't know where you were going. Those little things, so you, now seem bigger in my memory. If there's anyone who sees and knows everything that happens in the city, it's the bar owner, an old friend. He knows the shadows better than anyone.
And what the hell are you doing here, you crazy bastard? I told you I never wanted to see your damn face around here again.
People are so hostile these days. After the bar fight, all I got was pain. Splinters and glass stuck in my skin. My mind's a fucking mess. Recovery isn't as fast when you get older. Pain was always my companion. I grew up on those dirty streets, running with gangs, stealing just to make it through the day. My face always bruised, my hands bloodied. Teenagers like me, we didn't know any other way. Surviving, that was all we had. My mom did what she could, but life had already beaten her down. I only had one thing, my sister. She deserved better. But in this city, there's no room for love, only hate. And now, that hate is all I have left.